In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The Afghan government approves a 5-year national development strategy. Afghanistan and Uzbekistan reaffirm strategic cooperation in energy sector. And Israeli airstrikes on Gaza continue with further casualties reported. Welcome to Urooj Daily News Package. It's Sunday, the 18th of Safar Muzaffar, 1448, the 11th of Asad, 1405, and the 2nd of August, 2026. The news details. Afghan government has approved a 5-year national development strategy, according to the spokesperson of the Islamic Emirate, Maulavi Zabiullah Mujahid. Speaking at the second session of the government in the Mirror of Media, Mr. Mujahid said the strategy was prepared by the Minister of Economy during the year 1447 and helical, and subsequently endorsed by the Economic Commission of the leadership of the Islamic Emirate. He added that the Minister of Economy has also taken practical steps to formulate plans aimed at facilitating foreign direct investment, promoting the growth of small and medium-sized industries, expanding domestic tourism, supporting sustainable agriculture, establishing industrial zone, stimulating economic growth, strengthening industrial and agricultural sectors, attracting investment, creating employment opportunities, reducing reliance on imports, and supporting the domestic production. According to the Afghanistan Breshna Company, its Chief Executive Officer Mullah Abdul Haq Hikmat discussed energy cooperation during a visit to Uzbekistan with Omid Mohammad Aminov, the first Deputy Minister of Energy. The utility company stated that Uzbek side announced plans to prepare a comprehensive 15-year program for the development of Afghanistan's energy sector. Both sides also stressed the importance of enhancing technical cooperation, building an institutional capacity, and advancing joint energy projects. The news continuation. Construction has begun on a 28-meter bridge in the Zarabad area along Kabul-Jalalabad highway at the cost of 19.6 million Afghanis. The Minister of Public Benefits expressed that the project will improve transport links for local residents and ensure the more efficient regulation of water flow through the area once completed. And ultimately, Reuters, citing Hills official in Gaza, reported that at least 4 Palestinians have been killed in the latest Israeli strikes on Gaza Strip. According to the report, Israeli warplanes carried out a separate strike targeting areas of Gaza City and Deir al-Balah. Earlier, an Israeli airstrike hit a residential house in northern Gaza City, reportedly injuring several people and causing extensive damage to the surrounding area. The report adds that more than 1,200 Palestinians have been killed in Israeli attacks since the ceasefire came into effect. The news conclusion, blessing time, wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.